What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we're back with another hair installation video, and the unit we're working with is from Sunber Hair. This unit is their 24-inch 13x4 blonde kinky straight unit. This is it. The unit comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The strap is already attached. Everything was pretty much done to the unit already. If you want to purchase this unit, then go ahead and check out the link in my description to make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. This is the package the way it came in. We also received a melting band and a wig cap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip band on before we put a wig on. I'm gonna go ahead and put a wig cap over this. Like you guys have seen me install wig over and over and over and over and over again, so I really want to start styling the unit for you guys. Honestly, I want to do a really cute style on this unit, so let's go ahead and put our wig on. Again, the wig already came with the strap on. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to the unit and then we put our wig on. Off so I can't see anything first of all. Okay, all right, so this is the wig. Like, she's so pretty. It is giving a really cute, pretty vibes. This is it. Super soft. This is the vibes. Okay, this is it. Super fluffy, super soft right off the bat. I love it. Color is pretty. Hairline is given. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but let's go ahead and glue our wig. I will be using my Ebin Wonder to glue my wig today. All right guys, this is what our hairline is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down while we finish styling our wig, but I definitely will be keeping it super natural. This is it. Just gonna go ahead, tie this down and finish up our wig. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It turned out way better than I expected. Overall, I love the unit. This color is just super pretty and it lays great. And I just love everything about this unit, honestly. This is the finished look. Overall, I really love this unit. It is super easy to install and style. And the unit comes fully customized. It's already plucked for you. It has the strap. They already bleached the knots. Everything was pretty much done to the unit. It is super beginner friendly. It is super soft, and the color is just so pretty. This is a finished look and I love it. I'm literally in love with this wig right now. This is it. This style is just so pretty. Like, I really outdid myself on this one. Today we're featuring Sunber here, and this is their 24-inch 13x4 blonde kinky straight unit, and this is the vibes that we're giving off right now. It is super pretty. The color and the style together is something else. Like, honestly, I really feel so pretty right now. Like, I'm not even kidding. This style is everything right now. This is it. Want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and let me know how you feel about this look, about this wig, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.